over 25. The probability of obtaining yellow, then 2 blacks. We have that the probability of obtaining yellow, then 2 blacks will be 4 over 15 times 5 over 15 times 5 over 15, which will give us 100 over 3,375, which is the same thing as 20 over 675 to give us 4 over 20. The probability of obtaining different colors will now be, for red we have 4 over for red we have 6 over 4. For black we have, for yellow we have 4 over 15 times, for red we have 6 over 15 times, for black we have 5 over 15 times 6 all over 1, which we now get 270 over 3,375, which will give us 144 over 655. If you break it down further, we now have 48 over 225. Solution B. Now we are asked to calculate the probability without replacing. If the 3 balls are picked without replacement, I also find the probability that the 3 balls will be yellow. So the probability of 3 yellow balls will be, the first ball will be removed, since the yellow balls are 4. If you remove yellow ball, you will now be left with 3 yellow balls, and the total number of outcome will be reduced. If you remove another yellow ball, the number of yellow balls will reduce to 2, and the total number of the balls will be 13. So we have 4 over 15 times, when the yellow ball is removed, it is now 3, and the total ball is 14, times another ball is removed, which is 2, and the total is 13. If you do a multiplication, we will now be left with 24 over 2,730. If you cancel out, 2 cancel, and it will be 8 over 910, which you now have 4 over 455. Now the probability of picking the ball without replacement, if they have the same colors, for the same probability of the same colors, we have if you remove yellow ball, which is 4, we now have 4 over 15. You remove 1 yellow ball, we now have 3. The yellow ball will be 3 over 14. The total will be 14 times. If you remove another yellow ball, we will be left with 2 over 13. Plus, we have 6 black, 6 red balls. The red balls are 6. Then, if you minus 6 from, if you now place 6 over, to get a 6 from the color picked 3 times at random, you have 6 over 15. You now pick 1, you have 5 over 14. You pick another red ball, you now be having 4 over 14 in the basket, plus the black ball is 5 over 15. We remove 1, we have 4 over 14. We remove another 1, we have 3 over 13. So if we do a multiplication, we have 24 over 2730 plus 126 over 2730 plus 60 over 2730, which equals to 24 plus 120 plus 60 all over 2730, which will give us 204 over 2730, which will give us 68 over 910. So now cancel and we'll be left with 34 over 455. If 3 balls are picked without replacement, find the probability that we have 2 red and we pick 2 red and a black ball. If we have to pick 2 red and a black ball, the probability will be red, red, black, red, black, red, and black, red, red. Which is we have to pick 3. We have to pick 3 balls without replacement. The probability that we get 2 red and a black is equal to 6 over 15 multiplied by 5 over 14 multiplied by 5 over 13. That is 6 over 15. We pick 1 ball from we now have 5 over 14. We now pick another black ball, which we now have 5 over 13 times 3 picks, which will give us 450 all over 2730, which will give us 45 over 270 IV. If 3 balls are picked without replacement, find the probability that we pick yellow, then red. To pick yellow, then red, we are picking 3 times. The first yellow, you know that yellow is 4. Yellow is 4 in number. We now have 4 over 15 times. We now start picking the 2 red, which is 6 over 14, because we have removed 1 times. We remove 1 for red again. We now will have 5 over 13, which equals to 120 over 2730, which give us 41 over 91. If 3 balls are picked without replacement, find the probability that you get different colors. We have black, yellow, and red. So the black color, the yellow, first of all start with the yellow, which is 4 over 15 times. We now remove 1, we'll be left with 6 red over 14 times. We remove yellow, we now be having 5 over 13, which will give us times 6 over 1, which will give us 120 over 2730. If we cancel out, we'll be left with 4 over 91 times 6, which will give us 24 over 91. Example